This is a follow-up video to my charger adapter. I took this charger adapter, the business part of it, I took it out from this case here because I had a little problem with the connector. I have to jiggle it a bit to get the amp reading. So what I did was I pry open the case. It's not that difficult, just use a very small screwdriver and be careful so you don't break it. There are two taps over here. So I used two small screwdrivers to pry it open. And then what I did was I unsoldered the connector that was there before. There was a connector here, and I resoldered it. I have a female connector of my own, and I connected the wires to the new connector, and now it is much more solid. There's no false reading. The back of the charger adapter. What I did was I reconnected the white wire. I unsoldered it from the USB connector from the back, and I connected the negative to this resistor here, and the positive is to one of the power connection that gives out the power. So right now it's pushing about 4 watts or so to the 12-volt battery. So this is one way you can use a 5-volt charger to charge a 12-volt battery. I just resoldered the connection here, and also I soldered on the data lines. If I were to just charge the battery pack here, I wouldn't need to solder on the data line too. So now I'm going to try with the iPad charger, and hopefully no smoke will come out. That wouldn't be good. Okay, let's see here. Put this in here. Okay, I hear the charging sound, and it's charging 5 volt at 2.4 amps. This is 2.4, 505. So that's the iPad Air. 2.4 at 5 volt is about a little over 10 watts. So it is recognizing it. That means I soldered the connection correctly, which is okay. I'm gonna put some hot glue on here so the connection will be secure. There seems to be two versions of this charger adapter. One, the resistors are different. I think this one has 3, and the other ones that I saw, I think has only 2 resistors. And the soldering on the other kind is not as good as this. This is nice and clean, except for the soldering that I just did myself. All the other connection seems to be nicely done. Put a dab of hot glue there just to secure the connection. It's a little ugly looking. I should have slipped a heat shrink before I soldered it. It's okay.